Need to identify active phone numbers from a large contact list? Active Number helps check phone numbers in bulk and identify numbers with available active status when detection data is available. This helps businesses filter contact lists and prepare cleaner data before SMS, telemarketing, AI outbound calling, or other outreach activities. Visit NumberCheck.ai and explore the available phone number verification and mobile data detection products. Click Get Started to create a new account or sign in to your existing NumberCheck account. Before starting an active number detection task, make sure your account has enough credits available. If additional credits are required, please refer to the top-up tutorial. Go back to the product list. Under the mobile phone category, find Active Number and click Buy Now. Select the country or region that matches the phone numbers you want to check. Choosing the correct country helps the system process phone numbers with the correct country code and format. Upload a TXT or CSV file containing the phone numbers you want to check. One phone number per line is recommended. Click Start Detection to begin checking the uploaded phone number list. The system will analyze the numbers and return active number results when available. Once the detection task is completed, open the results page to view the task status and result summary. Review the results and identify phone numbers marked with active status when available. The exact result details may vary depending on the detection data. Click Download to save the complete active number detection results for further filtering and analysis. The exported file contains available active number detection results for the uploaded phone numbers. These results can help businesses filter contact lists, clean customer databases, and prepare outreach data before SMS, telemarketing, or AI outbound calling. A detected active status does not guarantee that the user will answer, reply, or agree to receive marketing communications. Visit NumberCheck.ai to start checking active number results.